This is Bubba. Hi guys. So anyway, I said the next video would be about the chickens. Oh, I forgot my little selfie stick. So, these guys, I can't kind of zoom in on this phone. I record on my phone. So we have all these little guys. Oh, there's a couple right there. All these little guys, they were just born last couple days. I can't remember. I think there's like 44 or so, and they're a bunch of different breeds. I think there's a lot of Morans, copper Morans. Looks like it. We bought them. We went to the sale barn. We bought a bunch of eggs, and so a lot of them are from there. Whoops. A lot of them are from there. And other folks bought some eggs from someone in Belfair. And so we'll see, because some of the furs were frizzles. I don't know what the frizzles look like as chicks, but I don't see any here. Okay, and so then these guys were born. Hi, there's not very many of these guys. These guys were born a few days before those guys, within a week. How many did we get? I think we might have. There should be probably 8 more. We split them with someone who bought a bunch of eggs, and we hatched them. Then we have this brooder, and this one we had sold most of them. Those bigger ones, the blacker, darker ones, there's 3 of those left. And then we hatched the other guys, and they're 3 to 4 weeks old. Now look at that guy's hairdo. Isn't that cool? I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But, so we sold a bunch of those, and then other ones, the ones that we hatched, we had split. The guy sold us eggs, and we split those ones with the guy who sold us eggs. And we'll be splitting these ones, I think, also, because it was 96 eggs. And we didn't get a very good turnout. I think we got a 90% death rate. So anyway, it was like 85 degrees today, and it was pretty muggy. So it was very humid, but now it's cooling off really good. The wind's coming in, and a slight chance of rain tomorrow. So anyway, I'll show you the other chickens we have in just a sec. Okay, I'm back. So it looks like my husband threw in some parsley in for them. So these are Red Rangers. They are at 10 weeks old. Oops. And this Saturday, they have a date with the freezer. And we'll be processing them this Saturday. Our county provides the equipment, all the equipment you need to process them for $25 a day. So isn't that awesome? So we'll be doing that. We've got some friends coming over to help us. Got the bags. I think we have the space in the freezer. We better have the space in the freezer. And we'll be canning a bunch of these later. Isn't that the cutest noise? I don't know if you can hear it. I have a Moran over there. I think it's a Moran. It makes the cutest noise. So these are our meat chickens. We got them from, Philadelphia or Pennsylvania. I can't remember. The Red Rangers. And we have 48 of them. We lost 2. Bought 100. We split 50 of them with a ministry that we work with, and they gave us hay. And so we have 48 left because we lost 2. And so now we'll walk over here. I don't know if they're out. I think they're all inside. Nope, there's some. These are our banties. We have some saramas. Look at that little white and black one there. He's so cute. And then we have a banty bodrock. And I don't know what that one is. This fluffy one. We got the bodrock and her, and one more when we bought those chicks. And over there, let's walk around. Over there, these are our laying hens. Oh, you guys got fruit. See the turkey? There's the turkey turkin. And then there's the little one making all that cute little noise. Focus. Hey, why aren't you focusing? Huh. Interesting. You're fuzzy. Why are you guys fuzzy? I wonder what's going on. Why is it fuzzy? I don't know what this is doing. I don't know what that is. I got a thing that says light. Does that help? Or is that too dark? That's really what the light is. Yeah. So those are our laying hens. And we have 2 roosters in here. Gosh. And this one, every time I open the door, she wants to escape. We have Americanas. What are those? Golden. Oh, what are they called? Nuggets? Golden nuggets? Got a couple barred rocks. Ooh, what's up with you? Look at that rooster over there. He's doing a little dance. Some barred rocks, some Morans. Comets, golden comets. And a lot of Americanas. So we get brown, tan, green, blue eggs. Yep, that's what we get. So this is their little yard. When it dries out more, we'll be cleaning out all this, because all this is actually the stuff they're standing on is actually shavings, pine shavings, tree shavings, needles shavings. I can't think of the term. You know what I'm talking about, right? So anyway, those are our chickens. All right. Talk to you guys later.